Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining us today. My name is Laura Train Mama. Today we are unboxing a mystery engine. So without further ado, let's see who's inside. Dun, 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 dun. That's right, it's Edward. So let's have a look at this Edward, who is second-hand. You can see he is very well loved. Nice expression, Edward. So this is what he looks like. And let's check out that tender. Okay, so I'm gonna end the video there. We had Edward in our mystery package, and I'm going to do a upload in about 5 minutes really. And let's do real or fake. See you there.